Hi guys, this is my Honda CRF250L and today I will show you a convenient and easy way to lubricate your motorcycle chain. So this is an eternal topic that you have already heard, but here is my short story that will make your life easier. By the way, you can find a video about the best method of a motorcycle chain cleaning on my channel. So before starting to lubricate the motorcycle chain, you need to hang the rear wheel of the motorcycle. To do this, you need to put the motorcycle in first gear to prevent the motorcycle from rolling when you put it on the lift. In order to hang the rear wheel of a motorcycle, I use this tool. This is a simple, versatile folding support for the swing arm of your motorcycle. You can also purchase this great tool by opening the link in the description below this video. Next, you need to put the gear in neutral so that the rear wheel of the motorcycle can rotate freely. I'm sure you've heard a lot about different motorcycle chain lubricants. So I have here the VD40 model motorcycle chain paste and model off-road motorcycle chain spray. I won't start this thread again, but as for VD40, it won't work for you if your motorcycle chain has oil seals, so we'll leave it out. I have also been using model motorcycle chain paste for 2 years, but this lubrication process takes a lot of time, so I decided to try model off-road motorcycle chain spray. In order to apply the spray to my motorcycle chain, I decided to cover the surface under the motorcycle to prevent the lubricant from splashing. I will also use a special tool that should prevent the lubricant from splashing and collect all the excess grease. So we need to put our can with lubricant in this keeper and just spray the lubricant. Before that, you need to cut the length of the spray tube. So let's check how it actually works because I'm using this system for the first time. So you need to apply lubricant to the inside of the chain cells and lubricate the chain seals there. Also, don't forget to apply grease to the outer and inner row of seals on your chain. So I sprayed the lubricant with one hand and turned the wheel with the other hand. If you feel confident, you can start your motorcycle and put it in first gear, and then you don't have to turn the wheel by hand. It seems that this tool came in handy. He collected all the excess lubricant in a box, and it seems that the surface under the motorcycle did not even get dirty. By the way, you can buy such a holder for your chain lubricant if you open the link to this product in the description under this video. Let's check the result. Therefore, the chain is perfectly lubricated, although there are minor flows of lubricant on the surface. It is necessary to quickly wipe the remains of the lubricant on the surface of the collector and also on the motorcycle, because after drying the grease will become sticky and will be more difficult to wipe it off. Now you need to remove the motorcycle from the stand. But before that, put the motorcycle in first gear again to prevent it from rolling. And if this video was interesting and useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comment on what you think about this method of lubricating a motorcycle chain. Thanks for watching. See you soon.